What is up, you guys? Welcome to session number 56. We're coming off, President's Day yesterday. So President's Day was yesterday. It is Tuesday, February 20th, and we are seeing the market react negatively. S&P and NASDAQ fall to start the week. And then we also have NVDA that's announcing earnings Wednesday, also declining. So let's get into that. So stocks fell Tuesday as NVIDIA led a broader tech decline ahead of the chip makers' earnings reports. Dow Jones dipped 107, 0.9%. The S&P slipped 0.8%. And then the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite lost 1.4%. So we have NVIDIA, as I mentioned earlier, announcing earnings. It's currently down 6%. We also have Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta losing more than 1% on the day here. We also have a blockbuster announcement here. We have Capital One Financial agreed to purchase Discover Financial Services. So Discover, everyone knows Discover, the credit cards and such, for $35.3 billion, which is expected to close in late 2024 or early 2025. And we have Capital One slumping about 1% following the announcement, while Discover jumping 12.5%. And we also have Walmart announcing it will acquire TV maker Vizio for $2.3 billion or 11.50 a share. And that led Vizio to climb higher by 15%, Walmart shares adding more than 4%. So the recent drawback we're seeing right now is really following Wall Street, the economic data that came out, inflation, raising concerns that the Federal Reserve may not begin cutting rates. We were hoping for March, we were hoping for May, and we're hoping for June. We don't even know when Federal Reserve plans to really cut those rates, but we got way too optimistic at the beginning of the year, and a lot of people thought we were definitely going to be trying to cut rates in March, as soon as March, but that doesn't seem to be the case, and we're really hoping for June, and May would be great, but I do not see May happening. March is out the window. So we'll have to really take it day by day, week by week, month by month, and see what the Federal Reserve wants to do with new data that comes out. So that is pretty much the news for today. Market really reacting negatively today, coming off a 3-day weekend. Now let's dive into the portfolio here, see how the market is reacting to the news. So here's Q's here. We have, it trading at a 29 RSI level, and it's really trading below that 50-day moving average, which is really good for us because we want to start building this position back. So let's go ahead and really lock in some shares here. We're going to buy 4 shares and make it at a 20 share even there. So let's go ahead and lock in a 4 share buy at looks like the 424 mark here. So let's go ahead. We see it in oversold values, and it could keep coming down, which is why we're only going to do 4 right now. See what we want to do this coming week. If we want to keep adding in, and if it keeps coming down, we're going to be buying even more. So let's go ahead and lock in a 4 share of QQQ. Let's go ahead and do 4 buy. So we're buying quantity 4 shares. The amount 1697. Market. Let's go ahead and lock that in, guys. All right, guys, so we got filled 4 shares. QQQ has been filled at 424.22. So we unpaused our QQQ position. We decided to buy in at this deal. It's presenting for us at the 29 RSI level, trading below the 50-day moving average, making its way down to that 200-day moving average there. So we'll see if it meets it and bounces, or if it keeps going below. We're really going to see how this market reacts towards this Federal Reserve news, interest rates, and such. So that is the update on the QQQ buy. We are not going to be doing a cash secured put today. We did one last week, the DraftKings on Valentine's Day. It expired on Friday. We got our $4,000 back, collateral back, and then we also profited that $96 premium. So We collected that $96 premium, and we did not have to buy DraftKings at the $40 strike because it did not go down to $40 by expiration. So we saw it really hovering, and when we look at the 5-day, 5-day is better to look at. So on Valentine's Day when we bought 214, we did a $40 strike, and $40 is way down here, guys. And by Friday here, you saw the price did not get to that level, so we did not get our contract assigned, and we weren't entitled to buy those shares at the $40 level. So that is the update on our cash secure put that we did on Valentine's Day. We are not going to be doing one today as we need to do more research on stocks and what we want to look at. I do want to look at NVDA, guys, because I think the $10 buy will be going into NVDA today because it is down almost 6. It was down 6%. Now it's at 5.82. It looks like it's trying to make a bounce here. Made a low at 677 there. This is the 5-day chart. We look at the 6-month chart. We see it really coming below that 50-day moving average at the 683 level there. So we had a high at 746 there on the 6-month. So let's go ahead and lock in a $10 buy of NVIDIA. So let's go ahead and do that. It's already at $10. Uncheck stop loss, uncheck take profit. Let's go ahead and lock that in. We have a $10 buy, order quantity 0.1463. Let's go ahead and lock that in. All right, we got NVIDIA at 683.90, and that is the $10 buy of the day. So that is pretty much session number 56. We really had, market reacting negatively today based off news and, NVIDIA announcing earnings on Wednesday. So we see NVIDIA really taking a hit because of that. Went over our QQQ position. We bought 4 more shares, making our position at, 20 shares there. As it is coming back down towards that 200-day moving average, we're going to watch it this week, see if it comes down more, and then buy more as it comes down. Or if it bounces, at least we bought some. And then our selling option strategy, we are... we did the DraftKings recap, and we collected that $96 premium, and we did not have to, buy shares as it did not hit that $40 strike by Friday, our expiration. And we are not doing a cash secured put today as we need to do more research on premiums and shop premiums and such. So, and what company we want to nominate for the next cash secured put. So it could be DraftKings again, it could be Palantir again, or another stock that we want to nominate. So we got to do more research on that. And then also we did the $10 buy of the day, and that was NVIDIA, as it is down really big today, coming down to the 683 level. So that is session number 56. If you guys are not subscribed here yet, please consider subscribing. If you like these live sessions, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, guys, hit the outro.